tests on 71 mummies excavated from Egyptian Nubia, dating between 600 and 1100 CE. Once again, she detected traces of cocaine. However, other researchers have struggled to replicate her results, leaving the mystery open to debate. That hasn't stopped conspiracy theorists from running wild with the idea that the Egyptians, who weren't exactly known for their love of the open sea, somehow sailed across the Atlantic just to score some premium pre-Columbian party supplies. Which of these ancient Egyptian highs surprised you the most? And do you think they really had access to New World substances, or is there another explanation? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Now go check out insane drugs you didn't know existed, or click on this video instead.
Mr. Nice Guy was blowing up, man. We got customers from all over New York.
Oh, what's up, nigga?
We even stole a few from Samson.
Oh, what's up, nigga?
Come on here, man.
Come on, Wing Chang. Thanks, baby. You know, he don't get scared.
Yeah. What can I get you today, Smoky Light?
Lovely. Let me get a pound of your Swedish chiba.
Damn. Yeah, some told me to bring a lot of weed, man. Yeah. Pound of my Swedish chiba. Don't get no better than that.
Smash with the bag, baby.
That's gonna be $9,600, bro.
See what I got here. Come on, man. Hang out for a minute and smoke with me. I got weed, got my bong out. Come on, son.
For you, man. I'll stay for a minute, but then I gotta be going.
I understand.
Man, Smoke a Lot opened up to me like I was Barbara Walters.
See, for the people that didn't pay no attention to that was like 10 stacks. And Smoke a Lot opened up like Barbara Walters is crazy work. You know what I'm saying? Dave Chappelle, you supposed to say pause right there. But I got you because I paused the video. You dig?
It's ridiculous. He told me about his lawyer.
He had sex with my mama. Why?
Spirituality.
God, if you listen, hell,
His bad back.
Doctor said I need a backiotomy.
His love life.
I'm in for this, man. Get away from me, bitch.
I mean, talk about a guy with problems. Tough break.
I can't take it no more.
No wonder he smoked a pound a week.
Somebody wanna.
So now we had a famous clientele, and
Rena's gonna miss you.
guess what else? Call me next week. About weed.
Oh shit, here's the news.
Anger over immigration raids started in LA with protests and spread from city to city. Tonight, it reaches Kansas City with protesters on the march. I'm John Holt.
I'm Bria Love. Two groups marched around the crossroads in Midtown. Fox 4's Crystal Martinez is live tonight. So, Crystal, where did they go after the Liberty Memorial?
Well, after the Liberty Memorial is when they took to the streets of downtown. We'll show that video here in a few, but I kind of want to walk you through what our night has been like because we were here for the start of it. And when we first got to the memorial, we actually spoke with someone from the Kansas City Women's Action Collective, and she told us the purpose for tonight is to stand with the people of LA and in support of immigrant community and their rights. Now, another woman that we spoke with who decided to show up tonight says that she was doing this to protest how ICE and federal enforcement agencies are conducting immigration raids under the Trump administration's orders. Now, how this march started right behind me, as you can see on the steps. There's still just a few people there, but mostly everyone is gone. We came all the way down, went through downtown, and as you can see now in this video, hundreds turned to thousands. Seems as though the two groups merged right when we got to the crossroads area. And there they took to the streets chanting, and as you can hear too, listen very closely, a lot of cars honking, but again, for the most part, everyone just stayed on the streets. I'm being quiet now so you can hear what we were hearing during our march. It was a good 15-minute walk through downtown. Really wasn't met with any trouble. They came all the way back up to the memorial out here out front where they stayed for a few more minutes. And again, hearing those chants. Now, again, all that we heard tonight and the reason behind this was to stand with the people of LA and again, to protest how ICE and federal government agencies are conducting these immigration raids throughout the country. While we were here, there seemed to have been a second march. We decided to not go with that march. We stayed here at the memorial. We have our photojournalist, Jerry Powie, down there now. He is telling us that